Hello friends, welcome to English with Mahmud Shamim. Today my topic is about shall and will. These two modal auxiliaries are used a lot in speaking, in writing. Okay, if you have proper ideas of these two modal auxiliaries like shall and will, or if you have proper knowledge of these two modal auxiliaries, I think you can make any sentences clearly. You can speak to opponent person with confidently. I think this video would help you a lot with getting your problem. Okay, before we get started, I'd like to say one thing. If you are new, so don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, you should watch the full video. Don't skip the full video. Maybe this video is important for you. So let's get started. Friends, shall or will, okay? Shall or will is used to indicate the future indefinite tense. Friends, at first you have to know is about future indefinite tense. Future indefinite tense is subject plus shall will after the base form of the verb plus object plus extension of the word. The sentence, the example of future indefinite tense is I will go to the market. Okay, I subject will, shall will, and go base form of the verb and to the market extension of other word, and we could say complement. Okay, the next sentence is they will play football. They will play football. Okay, in the field. They subject will and play base form of the verb and football object in the field extension of the word, or we could say complement. Okay, so these two sentences are example of future indefinite tense. Okay, so basically we use will for the future. Okay, for the future. So my friends, you see two words. Okay, I have mentioned here so that you can understand properly. Tomorrow. So tomorrow is a future indicator. Okay, tomorrow is a future indicator. The next day also the future indicator. Also we have next week, next Sunday. Okay, the following day. Okay, those are used to indicate the future. Okay, so let's see examples. I'll be here tomorrow. I'll be here tomorrow. This sentence means what? This sentence means positive future statement, or we could say probable statement. Okay, why we can say a positive future statement? Because there is a possibility to be here tomorrow. That's why we could say a positive future statement or probable statement. Okay, so next sentence, I won't be here tomorrow. I won't be here tomorrow. This sentence means negative future statement, or we can say improbable statement. Okay, so there's not a possibility to be here tomorrow. That's why we can say negative future statement, or we can say improbable statement. Okay, so next sentence, will probably go out this evening. Okay, this sentence means probable statement or positive future statement. Okay, there's a possibility, or there is a possibility to go out this evening. That's why we could say probable statement or positive future statement. Okay, next sentence, we won't probably go out this evening. Okay, this sentence means negative future statement, or we could say improbable statement. Okay, there's not a possibility to go out this evening. That's why we can say negative future statement or improbable statement. Okay, I think from step one, I think you got important informations. Okay, so step two, we often say I think plus somebody or someone or something plus will plus main verb plus object or extension. Okay, this structure I think helps you to understand this is step two rule. Okay, in case of opinion, we use all time I think, I don't think, this kind of phrases. Okay, I think Elima will pass the exam. This sentence means uh, positive opinion for the future. Okay. Uh, someone says that Elima will pass the exam. That's why the sentence means positive opinion for the future. Okay. So I don't think it will rain this evening. This sentence means negative opinion for the future. Okay, I don't think here is a here this phrase is used to give opinion. Okay, for the next sentence. When you want to use I think, I don't think, this kind of phrases, and next sentence will be all time future indefinite tense. Okay, mind it. So, friends, step number 3. Okay, we do not use will for things that we have already arranged or we have decided to do. Okay, I repeat this rule. We do not use will for things that we have already arranged or we have decided to do. So let's see examples. We are going to the cinema on Sunday. Okay, this sentence is correct. Already I have told you we do not use will for things that we have already arranged or we have decided to do. Okay, already you have decided, you have taken decision to go to the cinema on Sunday. That's why you cannot use we will go to the cinema on Sunday. Okay, because we can use we have to use all time present continuous tense to indicate the future. Okay, we could say present indicating future. Okay, we could say also this sentence present indicating future. Okay, so we are going to the cinema on Sunday. This sentence is absolutely correct. Okay, not we will go. Okay, not we will go. Remember, next sentence, I'm not working tomorrow. Okay, this sentence is correct in case of taking decision, because I have already told you the rule. Okay, not I won't work tomorrow. Okay, this sentence is not correct. Because you have already taken decision to not to work tomorrow. Okay, in case of this, the sentence actually would be turned into present continuous tense, and present continuous tense is used to indicate future. Okay, so we can say also this sentence to we can say also to this sentence present indicate present indicating future. Okay, so my friends, I think you got important informations from steps from step 3. Okay, uh, so next, step number 4. Okay, step number 4. Now shall. You can say I shall equal to I will. Same. We shall equal to we can say we will. Same. Okay. So example is I shall be late tomorrow. I shall be late tomorrow. Okay. This sentence is absolutely correct. Okay. This sentence means a positive future statement or probable statement. Okay. Already I have told you is about positive future statement or probable statement in step number 1. Okay. I'll be late tomorrow. This sentence is correct also. Okay. So now, step number 5. Okay. In case of positive opinion for the future, the sentence is I think we shall or we will win. Okay. We will win. Next sentence is I think they will pass the exam. Okay. Will naturally is used with first person or first person subject is I. Okay, will is used with they. Okay, so I think we shall. Okay, I think we will win. Both sentence are correct. Okay, I think they will pass the exam. This sentence is correct. Okay. So now, step 6. Do not use shall with you, they, he, she, it, etc. Okay, I repeat, do not use, friends, okay, do not use shall with you, they, he, she, and it, etc. Okay, let's see example. Kelly will be late. Okay, so we can say, uh, we can say we can say Kelly shall be late. Okay, Kelly shall be late. This sentence is not correct. The correct sentence is Kelly will be late. Okay, so you cannot use you use you will. This sentence is correct. You shall. This sentence is not correct. Okay, he will. This is correct. He shall. This is not correct. Okay, it will. This is absolutely correct. Okay, it shall, it's not correct. Okay, they will, it's correct. They shall, it's not correct. Okay, my friends, I think you got important informations is about shall and will, these two modal auxiliaries. I think you got a lot of informations from this video. Okay, if you get some benefits from this video, so don't let to subscribe my channel. Okay, don't forget to like, don't forget to share this video to your friends, to your groups. Okay, I request you. Okay, so my friends, that's all for today. Take care. Bye bye.